Welcome, I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, naturopathic doctor, and today I'm talking about pancreatitis and causes of pancreatitis, which is an inflammation of the pancreas. So some of the most common causes of pancreatitis or this inflammation in the pancreas include alcohol. So we know that alcohol, again, in moderation is probably okay, but when we're overdoing it, this can definitely increase the risk of developing that inflammation in the pancreas and the pancreatitis. Gallstones, so people that do have issues with their gallbladder function and have a lot of gallstones also increases the risk of that pancreatitis and that inflammation. Surgery, so anybody who has had abdominal surgery, this is something that can block the blood flow to the pancreas itself and can result in that inflammatory response. So any type of scar tissue that has built up after abdominal surgery, which is common, can put you at a higher risk for developing pancreatitis. Some medications are also definitely related to developing this inflammation in the pancreas. So antibiotics, as well as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs as we know it, which are often taken and typically taken for pain and headaches and things. And you may not know that it could run you that higher risk of developing pancreatitis. So definitely finding alternative, more natural ways to treat your aches and pains is definitely a better way to go about things, of course, in my opinion. And some steroidal drugs can also increase your risk of developing pancreatitis. Smoking. So we know that smoking for different reasons is not the best thing for our health, but this also increases our triglycerides, and that increase in the triglycerides is also increasing the risk of pancreatitis. So being deficient in some of the most important antioxidants in our diet can put us at risk of pancreatitis as well. So whether it is low vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, selenium, and our carotenoids can also, and these are some of our most important antioxidants, can also put us at risk of developing that pancreatitis. So making sure that you're getting enough of these in your diet, but also from whole food sources, whether you're going to a supplement, that may be a great way to increase those levels of those important antioxidants. High calcium. So here's something that you have to be careful of, and this is where over-supplementation of certain nutrients can be problematic for your health, especially if they aren't whole food sources. So calcium, we know that if it's taken in high dosages, can actually increase your risk of developing pancreatitis. And this is why it's so important that it's balanced with magnesium as well as vitamin K. We know that vitamin K ensures that proper absorption of our calcium, and this is why making sure that we have the right balance of these nutrients is very important. And a high-fat diet. So we know that incorporating healthy fats into our diet is very important to decrease overall inflammation, but watching those seed oils and those pro-inflammatory polyunsaturated fatty acids, which I talk at length about in other videos, make sure you check out the other videos about this, but that overall inflammatory response, especially when in terms of our pancreatic health, is really important. So it's the seed oils, the canola oil, the vegetable oils. You really want to get these out of your diet because especially when they're highly refined, can really increase that overall inflammation and puts you at risk for the pancreatitis as well. So I hope that you learned something new. I would love to hear from you. Please put them in the comment section below, or if you have a question about anything that I've talked about today in terms of pancreatitis. Also be sure to share this video, and I appreciate a big thumbs up, so please like this video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome in. I am Dr. Janine, a naturopathic doctor. Make sure that you do subscribe and you turn on those post notifications by clicking that bell so you always get my newest and latest uploads, which happens every single day of the week. And remember to always take good care of your health and do it naturally. Thanks for watching today.